So I used it for an entire week. Still not dead, but I'm going to see the green light still going on. So, but I don't want to. I don't want it to be dead when I need it. So I'm just gonna charge it. One thing you want to do when you go to charge it, you want to unplug this and plug it back in. So I guess there's some sort of memory there. So that way, the light's red, and it'll turn yellow, and then it'll turn green when it's ready to go. Reading the instructions here, and it says when the LED light turns green, right, which is charging is complete, disconnect charger from AC power source, and then the neutralizer AC. Also, you should keep it at a distance of 12 inches from the panel and just move slowly like I told you in the other video. So we got a BMW bumper here. It's plastic. It's not raw plastic, but we'll get to that. Don't worry, we'll get to that. So we're sitting outside, so you can see there's dust and stuff on there. So I'm gonna blow it off first, and then I'm gonna attack it. It's been washed already. It looks so clean. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Here's another bumper that was primed. Super, super, super clean. We will not have to polish this bumper, that's for sure. That's one of the biggest things. If you can cut down your polishing time, you're way ahead of the game. Way ahead of the game. Freaking awesome. Another plastic bumper that we're not gonna have to polish. That's awesome. That makes me happy. Saves everybody time. The car come out, can't leave the shop faster. There will be no haze or nothing like that. And this front end is so clean. That's it. No need for polishing. I'm honestly blown away. I'm gonna do a raw plastic bumper as well. So we got a raw plastic bumper here. You can see the dust that just attracts to it. So we're going to use this baby right here, Neutralizer AC, and if you want to blow in one direction with the tack cloth in front of it. So if you see me doing anything other than that, don't do it. Simple. All right. Beautiful. Whoops. Beautiful. This bumper is definitely not going to need any polishing. Oh, that's music to my ears. That's awesome. That is awesome. There's one nib here, one nib here. For a raw plastic bumper, that is unbelievable. I love it. I love it. So, always remember the company is very picky on how you use their products. And they have their reasons, because it's science, and if you do it the way that they say you do it, then you get the best results. So, I got to share it with you. And so that's the best way when you're tacking with the, you got to tack in front of the blowgun and then put the stuff away. So anyways, I do recommend this gun, and I hope that this video is useful, and my last video as well. Remember that everything in this videos are my opinion, and that's all it is, and I just show you what works for me, and it doesn't necessarily mean that it's gonna work for you. Alright, so anyways, this looks awesome. Looks good. Love it. Alright, peace. Love you. God bless you.